Me are the queen in a deck. If me say queen, me say lady, me say gangster. What the fuck gonna expect me to just get up and be lady, queen? Treat the fucking hard way. Queen, lady, gangster. Every day on a surprise and shot. Wife, she should have done it. Shot grandmother, she should have. What wanna come do it for me then? Since as me should have did anything when me do on no like she no, me should have do it. And she never did it because she too old. All age now done for me. Me I done blood clot all age. You hear that? Because you see the greatest thing is fucking life. And when you have life and can get up and shit at the most, well, a lot of you know, let me tell you something. When you not cuss shit and discriminate shit, you know, you see shit are the ways have to come out of the body. And it's when you shit, me see my daughter Rachel live and can't shit. Days, weeks, on top of bomber clot, weeks and days. So you see, to get up and shit, it's for you to appreciate it. You see, to get up and have appetite, me the surgery cut off, them chop off this. And when them chop off this, 2 months after, me can't me not have no appetite. So me see what it is to wake up and can have appetite. Health and strength and energy for come rolling at the ground, skin out balls so the man no want me. Say me have AIDS, my pussy stink, me have chlamydia, me have yeast infection, me have STD, but me still have blood clot life in it. And that's my strength. So any blood clotting want to type up in a phone life or in a phone self, uno can't change the fact of what I am and what is in me. So you are fucking stupid. I mean, idiot or idiot. My name is not idiot. Phone name is blood clot idiot. Can no matter when I talk and carry on shame and disgrace for me. Yes, her husband don't want her. And him say how much stink and her pussy sick. I shall have AIDS. She have chlamydia. She have STD. She have herpes. But me still there now. Watch me. So how fucking unfortunate you lot is to watch the fucking diseases. But away from that, it's not even that why I come here, you know. I come here for a different reason as well, you know. Take off the eyeglass screen. Because in this one, my tongue is a different tongue. Come on, Rochelle. Rochelle is baptized. Yeah. Yes. In my dirty kitchen. Yeah. With the black pat them and ginger them on my food. Yes, Queenie. So, from in a quarantine on Sunday night when I live at the broke down house with the government furniture, me see one girl named Pretty Dan. I watch her on the TV say the most disgraceful things, rude things about me. When me and Dexter did in an argument, I'ma laugh, I'ma take my phone and my video and put her on my TV. Because I find it funny. If you eat banana every day, get up every morning and eat banana, you're getting tired of banana. Same thing if you eat steak every time. Same thing with fish. Pretty Dan, you're not tired of me? Pretty Dan, you know, sister, me one queen in the blood clot deck. Pretty Dan, you ever see me call your name for get attention yet? Pretty Dan, if you're not call queen in name, you don't have a program. Come here, the artist mamba blood. You want fuck me? Or you couldn't make nobody fuck me? Me why you fuck me, Pretty Dan? Me why you fly come to England come fuck me, castle? That no make no blood clot sense. You coulda, nobody coulda see her fuck me. But people see every blood clot and you do your program call me name. First you know want fuck me. Why you call me name out of your nice clean mouth? When you brush up the morning, put Listerine in it. But you call me name. On the clocks on the eye. Pretty Dan, the whole of under your son. I hear one. This a feel pretty blood clad Dan. And that you want the pretty Dan. Move your dirty blood. You're not tired of me? Eh? You just have suck me out, son. Vampire! Blood clot. Vampire! Want to go all the water. Splash the blood clot vampire. Splash the dirty blood clot. blood clot. None of blood clot you can't manage me. I'm crazy. And I go, man. I'm a blood clot crazy. Move on a dirty blood clot. You know, sometimes I go for 51 blood clot too. I go 53, but heart. And that you can't take. You tell me pretty down. Pretty down, nobody my face today. Don't move. Naturality. Clean up the camera. You want views? You want content? Cut and clear the crosses in the name of the Father. I cut and clear these crosses. Father got tired of them. Yes. One lemon, one lime, and piece of ginger. 3 are my lucky number. Pretty done. Pretty done. Pretty done. Oh, pretty done. That's the green lime girl. Pretty done. Enough is enough, man. Too much of blood clot, you know. I put it in the bin in the rubbish truck. I have the holy water. No, pretty done. Woohoo. Pretty done. Me want you fuck me. So this are the doors for me I make. Come on, you fuck me. And you know I'm a fuck you. I'm so desperate that nobody now wants me. That's more pretty. You dirty blood clot, yo. Yeah. Woo. And myself. Me get up every day and talk about anything you want to come from this comes to the analysis about me. And somebody fuck with me. Girl. Say pretty done. Pretty done. Pretty done. Ha. How do you talk blood clots are Queenie this? Holy water! Ooh, cut and clear all of the crosses and on the net. All who are suck out Queenie. Ooh, use the water. Hallelujah. I'm so glad to tell. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? Cut and clear the demons. Send them back to the pit of hell. Now I must up my phone. Send the Satan! Leave the queen! Satan! Oh, no dirty blood clot, you know. Me dirty. Oh, no dirty. Me now bring me dirtiness to blood clot, you. But every day. Better than me, why you? For fuck me. Can me get up and sing for name every blood clot there. So come fuck me. See those, yeah?
No, I'm screaming at this.
But they are doing a little craziness. I fuck back with blood clot. None of blood clot to the sort me out. But first, suck out for suck out! Wait a minute, done. I forget to know out of my system, out of my life, man. Enough of too much of blood clot enough for one me. No, that's not salt enough. Wait a minute. I need to cut one more enough, man. It's not just pretty than but pretty than pretty me up in the evening. What? Pretty than and the others. I cut and clear you lot. I'm gonna drink you lot. So you're not gonna stay in my fucking system. Put the salt in there. Wow! Enemies that rise up against Queenie. Months on top of months, weeks on top of weeks, days on top of days. I don't borrow the microwave. Me and I sit in the toilet, I want to stand up by toilet doorway and me hold up on the toilet. Allow me, you know, man. Allow me. My pussy stink, me have AIDS, me have chlamydia, me have STD. Allow me. Why you wanna mix with dirty banger? Don't call me name in your mouth because me filthy. I'm full of disease. Are you making any fucking sense here? As for the rest of them, me not have no time for call anybody name, but who the cat fit? Let the look at it. The wife on a dirty blood clot. Oh, you could have married a woman like that. Me don't want to have a woman stay so. Me what on a blood clot stay? Do you have that your mind? Oh, me a fucking human like any mama bomber blood clot. We're real bad, brave, and bold. None of blood clots no can delete me. Go! When I say Instagram delete me last year, on a thief my page 240k. Right now I have 200. If I not take the 200, I'll still be fucking me. Numbers not make me. My likes my numbers them. I'm like my support. Me not come over here come tear down. None of blood clots and I'm calling the name. When I say fuck me out. Vampire! Holy water. Holy water. Oh, make a cross, Queenie. They're coming to suck your blood out from one to another. Queenie, they're coming. They're coming for you because the man don't want it. Queenie. Queenie. Go. Put your head down, Anna. You want ya. You, me not ask you. Me bet you. And get change. Out of every girl per internet. I mean, I look like every girl. Age 52. Me are the queen in a one queen in a I mean in a what you see what you fucking get from? You understand me? Love me man. Me a hot girl. Miss that girl. Never fucking flat girl. Woo! You wanna see my drawers? I'll show you my fucking drawers. I know you need this fucking STD drawers. I am not asking you. You need this STG's knickers to blood clot. Sniff it. Come sniff it out. Blood this. Put it on. But just take off my dress for the life for you. And you rest a blood clot friend them with all of my DNA for you to sniff. Me don't know what else to do. But I can get a pussy. The batty wall. With the whole heap of this disease in it. What is the problem? Come for the disease. Come get it, come get it, come get it. Come get it, come get it, come. I know you want this filthy disease in pussy. You love pussy so that you want Queenie. This is pretty done. Come and get that pretty disease in pussy. Now I sort me out. Why people try to be difficult? She knows sister me I decline her. Queenie, I love you. You know why, woman? You stand up for yourself when everybody else lie down and asleep. And you said that, Queenie, make you reign as the queen as you are. Queenie, you don't get up, go around and suck out people's blood. You jump, you prance, you scream. If you have a problem, you say it and they don't like it. But Queenie, I love you. Because you're a brilliant mother. You're terrible and awful when you're terrible and awful. But when you're nice and kind, you're very nice. I love you, Queenie. You're an artist. Ha! Crime. They got my nice, clean husband. Bunny. Everywhere me go, them just say, oh, don't do it. Move on a dirty blood clot. The whole I will get this. The whole I will get miss. And the whole I will get less. But it's who can looking at the camera and say, move on a dirty blood clot. I shame on a shame. Me shame on them. Because you know what? Just hot pepper lights, flowers, and all the beautiful stuff. And because me telling us it never blood clot beautiful. Me feel lie to you like on a trick me when me little bit say Santa Claus exists. So to me never lie to you. I'm telling us that all was well. And then come back and say, none of blood clot and I can't make me left my husband, make him left me. Oh no, no. Do we lock her up? Queenie deport him. Do it she don't want you. Queenie she don't want you. Do it this. What is your problem in your household? You're online typing, showing the world that you can insult Queenie because Queenie speak her truth. For the wall of blood clot, oh no, we feel like say, oh no, I care my girl. Ah! Ah! She thought in the blood clot out of me. All I was suck up my blood. I may put in the back of. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah, come out of Queenie. Come out of Queenie. Come out. I'm not lying. I want good idiot. Come out. Come out of Queenie. Cut and clear with the line. Crosses. Oh. Ah. Oh. On the feast of them gone. On the feast. I would have been. I'm scared. I'm pretty done. Pretty done. Pretty done. Pretty done. Pretty done. And all the rest of haters. Lime juice and down the nasty bomber. Cut and clear the crosses. I rebuke you in the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Go back to the pit of hell. I need some salt. Oh, no dirty blood clot. You know, say me I walk over here, no dirty blood clot. Yeah. I might over this. Yeah, green line. Yeah. Oh. On the internet, you not trouble me. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, to Jerry, you make a little salt. Ow! Quit stop it. Fuck on. Just get up every day. Just suck out my bumble wall, so. It load me, man. Yeah, man. I forget to know how to my sister. It's one Queenie, you know. Why so much people want to pick on me, though? Am I sitting in your fucking toilet, though, fam? Is this your cup? Is this fucking knife yours, though? Am I depriving you of your fucking bed, though, me? Love me, man. Love me with my husband when I want me. Love me with my husband when I want me. But me want that day husband. Got me married to the Queenie. Whoa! Life just spread on my eye. Mama clock. What? Belt off from my chest, you not stretch you all that is troubling me. Up move. Me up alive in a sicker rhyme. What happened? Yeah, I'm hearing you. No, baby. Me up alive. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, man, send me them over. All right. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Hello, me the panel program, baby. Who this? Oh, how your name, Panic, darling? Sorry, ma. What you do, my head? What your name? All right, darling. Cool. Yeah, cool. When the fuck off, I leave me alone. I don't know how much use I work. Me having under that chat me every minute. I try to tear me down. Low blood clots me. I go find no worth or no value. I work God create enough. Because someone who don't even know the use of no fucking self. You know, she say me all purpose. My always on the fucking move. I mean, say crazy never bumper pussy clot rate. Ask the Karam how much song him give me. How long I take for do them. You hear that? Go ahead. No can't take me for no blood clot menke around here. No menke, no what list no blood clot. Go and sit down and, okay, love me. Me a survivor, me a get on with life, I'm look good no blood clot. That means to say me alright. Because me don't look like iron blood clot, that thank you. It's just the God Almighty truth. I do look nice for 50 fucking two. A lot of people in them house, from them afar to them give up on them life. You understand me? Them give up. Because them feel access to them, I found to them. Good afternoon. Who is this, please, and thanks? It's what happened. What? Sis, Sandra, somebody call you and tell me, come and know you're not up on my life, sis. What is it, sis? I love you too. Love you too. What could you buy, sis? Love you too. What cool now? Leave me alone, Sandra. So when I fit the house, come out for the live and make your friend sit down and class me have blood clot. Yeah, my name Shakal, not your name. So everybody can say, clean it down, not clear in the mind, clean it. And my name. So from, if you don't hear some 10, 20, somebody, 30, somebody sit down. Sit down, everybody calm and collective. I say, Johnny's dispute. You guys look. Subconsciously, it's natural reflect. So we're cleaning up here in the mind, my sister. My sister, I love you too, baby. When you're done blood clot, Tottenham and wherever, when you're war done blood clot town and Princess Street, I address to stand up and watch you, sis. For you to let us. So come to your church today. I'm going sister, I got church up at Ilford. Pray for me when we find the light which by your reach, Sandra. Remember you're all vagabond. Me hear somebody say, at least when up here already, at least she was a damn blood clot because she all igla. You hear that? Me never do igla in yet. And then it's in our father, a beer bomber pussy blood clot, my father cuss. Ear must from center mass. Awful like me. Terrible. Bucko to no blood clot. I want big. Like this. Good evening. Hello? Oh, no, me, man. What a piece of liberty. Why so much people want to call me to tell me done? What am I doing though? Should I sit down and allow people to constantly pull my titty breast. My titty breast, my titty breast. Just pulling my titty breast, titty breast, titty breast, titty breast, titty bomber, blood clot, them I got turn catapult, slingshot. So I won't allow them to constantly sing on my name. People are very powerful in their own powerful way. So if you sit down and allow someone to live on you like silver ticks, you gotta swing. I had was to cut those green limes with a little salt and a piece of ginger and some water with a knife to cut it and clear myself. What the fuck can I tell me, say? Oh, no, no, wait there. Oh, no, know about generational curse, spiritual warfare, evil side of the world. Oh, no, know much blood clot, something out there in the world, and I still a jump and a smile, and there's thicker rhymes through the fourth fang. I don't know why show me say, Queenie, you know, say you're not right to that. The wall of blood clot when I write it. Anyone on the way whisper to me, say me not right it. All of us not right it. Because you have the liberty if you come tell me say something to me, but you sit down and you entertain me. So something to blood clot you too. Because if I have a problem with someone, I am not looking. I don't care, I don't tear, and I don't smear. Moving a dirty blood, you know, I say, man, mad me, man left me. Me not care, me, still not understand, you know. I 5 people me give for one man. I mean, you know, they're together now. We're together 22 years. Not the last of blood clot ever. And I eat that. I will forever. Me love marriage and me cherish marriage. And God give me my wish. Me not make tune on a bomber wall when never blood clot married. I don't know the use of it. Trick me because my marriage brought down. Never say. Me not, and I'm still under my marriage. Because I make a pledge in God's sight and man's side. Wally people will come entertain me. Wally people will come fucking support me all over the fucking world. So when it go rock side, oh, side rock side, I'm a ball out blood clot, scream. Me still now make Una broke it down. Make me broke it down. Me my own dads, me's a goddess. Me telling a blood clot this. None of you care when my blood clot show. None of you care start me show. Cause so I don't even fucking know you lot. The people that know me, yeah, who want to rip them on me, rip them on me. Who want to calm me down, calm me down. Who want to love blood clot me, love me because I know I am myself. And no other. Queen lady gangster do you I'll let you know I'm blood clot. What am I for do? This one myself for honor. I am a fucking wife. But when I look at piss tail, some man don't even know if I'm pushing on in on a pussy and smell it if it's pink, or if it have STD like my one, or if it have HIV like a female. Only don't know if it testing us about only needs, only can't type to me if tell me. Don't look up in my pussy and come in have on a drug. I don't give a flying blood clot. Don't look up in me. Only little girl, or big girl, any kind of girl, or the girl man them, cause you have some twin pussy blood clot cow man, where we are twin draws, with trouble blood clot me too. I don't know, for putting an in on a batty hole, if you know say, this has shit, but the shit have AIDS in it. This has shit, but it have STD. Move on a blood clot, the most discriminated thing to human being is natural thing, nature. Shit. Fuck. She love the man too much. She sneeze. She have matter in her eye. Stinking mouth, stinking blood clot mouth, and me make breath and smell. My mouth supposed to stink. I went, ah! Ooh! Queenie can't be there. But I like, love. But you know the care management. I got a load care management. It's truth. Don't try. It's what call me. No go on, man, and stop call me. When I eat up of a bomber clot, flip it down. I want me to do flip it down in the summer. Come and see me to put it on the rubbish bin. I love myself. Oh, this a call me, man. Jesus. Hey, Queenie, calm down. Behave yourself, Queenie. You know that somebody tell my baby. You feel like with that? Husband tell me for come off our life. I'm gonna take care. Queen of You know, I never even say I do it number. Queen of behave yourself. You lady. Yeah, man, but sure. All right, bye now.